So we're back here today and we're ready to hike up this thing as far as we can. It's a beautiful day. It's a little on the warm side though. I don't know what it is in Fahrenheit. This is the beginning of the trail though, and we will have to climb a whole bunch of steps. We're hiking up a trail that goes beside this stream that goes up beside the waterfall. Waterfalls probably, and hopefully we can see where it comes from at the end. There's almost no wind today, but standing right here, there's a breeze and mist blowing right in your face from the waterfall's force. Pretty amazing looking. That there is one of the big hotels in Geiranger. I bet there's an amazing view if you stay there. So right beside the trail here, there are some apples growing on a tree. I'm gonna try one. So it's like red on one side, green on the other. I'm gonna try eating the red side. It's not terribly sweet, but it's not bad at all. It's not sour much. It's not bitter. I've seen some evidence of some old dams and locks that they used to have to generate power with. You can see one of them right here. They've dammed up this side, and then they've got that big screw thing over there that will open a gate and allow water through, which will turn a turbine and generate electricity. They've dismantled most of this, not because they don't generate electricity, but because they want to have the waterfall for scenic reasons and tourist reasons rather than the power generation. This is apparently some kind of exhibit or museum or something about the fjords in Norway. It says it's a World Heritage Site. We're going to take a little break here at the probably a little less than halfway point. Let the kids play on the playground and use the restroom here and hydrate a little bit. And then after that, we're going to continue on the path wherever it is and try to go all the way up to the top of that. Kind of excited. This is the waterfall here, another one. This is part of the stream that we've been traveling on. I think these are wild cherry trees. They're sweet, but also quite tannic. They're kind of making my mouth pucker a bit. Completely right, like really soft and sweet and everything. Otherwise, they are that times 10. I'm looking at this house, like 3/4 of the way up the mountain. That'd be quite a place to live. I see people walking up there, so there must be a way to get up there. I bet they have a gorgeous view though.
Oh yeah, fire pipes. Well, they should do. Yeah, they do 2 times. Pokemon Go. We're fighting the boss. Fire's his weakness, so that's. Oh, now we're doing electric. We're doing a ton of damage.
Well, it takes somewhere to go in a little while. These are the options. The blue ones will be intermediate, yeah. And the well, this is rated R, so we might not want to bring the kids. This one leads to the waterfall. That's 4 kilometers away.
Okay. What's this?
That would be a horn. So I guess it's yeah, that would be a mountaintop of some sort.
Okay.
A sate is a plain. So these are plains.
Okay.
This is a farm. This is a mountain. This is just a name, so I don't know what.
Okay.
What it is. This is a waterfall. Yeah. Foss is waterfall. So yeah, Big Plains waterfall.
Okay.
Are we going on that one?
4 kilometers. You probably want to go to that one at least.
Yeah,
see if there's anything.
I'm looking for that one.
How much is kilometer?
About a half a mile.
2 miles.
We found a little refreshing snack along the trail. We found some wild raspberries growing. I'm going to pick the ones that are ready and pass them out.
Yeah, oh yeah. That's good.
They're nice and sweet.
Translated with plain, so it's not like a vast plain like you. Rowan.
This is Rowan, and I hear it's pretty tart.
Yeah.
Apparently you make jelly out of it. It's a common thing to do.
Yeah, have it with game dinner.
Venison and such.
Yeah.
Pretty tart.
Yeah.
You want to try one, Timmy?
Ja, det är det.
It's amazing for a country that's so cold so much of the year. There's a lot of bounty here if you know where to look. There's berries all over the place and other things. I think we're spending more time hunting berries than we are actually hiking, but that does take our mind off of the hiking and you don't feel the pain in your legs. So far we found raspberries, rowan berries, and juniper berries. We're hoping to find some blueberries and some wild strawberries and more raspberries. The kids just found another patch of raspberries. Arna said it's drinkable, so I'm gonna try some. A lot of the water in Norway is very clear. They really preserve it. Tastes good. I don't taste anything bad in that. We're climbing up this hill. It's a pretty steep grade. I think we've only gone 1 or 2 kilometers, I would guess, from the rest place. So we've got quite a ways to go yet. Everybody's kind of dragging though. Here's some little wild strawberries. Not really very ripe, but it might get eaten anyway. We reached what appears to be like a resting point. It's got an information sign here and somewhat of a view, although it's blocked pretty badly from down below, as you can see up on the mountain. We're trying to decide whether we're going to continue on up or not, or whether we'll send part of our party back.
I'm not sure, but it probably says here on the plane below. No.
Is it a house or just a restaurant? That would be great.
So it looks like we're going to be splitting up our group, and the 3 older guys and the oldest boy, maybe, probably, are going to be continuing on, and the younger ones will go down the mountain. So we'll see how far we make it, I guess. All right, bye guys. Be safe.
Bring some water, Paul. Water for me.
Okay.
Timmy, we're getting ice cream whenever we get down there.
So please close the gate. We're approaching some sheep that are lying in the path. Well, I think we're done around this waterfall here. This is the shorter route. But it's the bumpier route. Well, I mean, if you jump off into the waterfall,
Oh, yeah.
it's a shorter trip.
Definitely shorter.